This equipment is an thermal oil heating hydraulic discharge cooking jacketed kettle mixer. After receiving the equipment, first unpack it and check for any damage or abnormalities. Before connecting the equipment to power, clamp the heat transfer oil, then open the heat transfer oil inlet valve, and then open the overflow valve. Monitor the heat transfer oil flow by observing the overflow valve. When oil overflows from the overflow valve, close the overflow valve to stop adding heat transfer oil. Connect the wiring, then thread the power cord through the inlet hole, turn on the equipment, and connect the power to a 3-phase 4-wire circuit breaker. The 3 wires on the left are the live wires, and the last one is the neutral wire. Under normal circumstances, turn on the power knob, and the wireless temperature sensor and temperature controller will display the heating operation. There are 4 sets of heating elements in this position. You can heat them individually or all at once, for example, heating elements 1, 2, 3, and 4, or turn all 4 on simultaneously. When all 4 are on, the power is at its maximum. To remove and return the material from the pot, press the remove button to flip the material basket over. Press the return button to return the material basket to its original position. This equipment is a bottom discharge device. When you need to drain water or oil from the jacket of the mixer, open the bottom discharge valve, drain the water immediately, and then shut down the equipment.